Hi, we're up here in Wyoming hunting moose. I've got the last day to hunt with my bow. I've hunted 7 days and I haven't found a bull that I want to get after yet. So anyway, I just saw a bull from on top of the hill. He's down here in this valley, and so we're going to go sneak on him. Pretty decent bull. He's not huge, but he's a decent bull, especially for the last day of archery season. So anyway, come along with us. We're going to go see if we can sneak in 3 yards from this tuft of grass. If I can get up to there without him seeing us, we can get a shot, because he's about 60 yards right now, and that'll give us about a 30-yard shot. Sorry about that. I had to run at it. I didn't want to scare it out of the river. I didn't want to run on it, but I knew I had a good hit, and I didn't want it to go down in the river. That makes for a lot of work. So hopefully I pushed it up on the other side and it doesn't go over the other side. But anyway, it's done. I know we got it. It was too high, and he stopped and gave me another shot. I knew I had to hurry and get another one in him, and then the second one was a perfect shot. I couldn't see him where he was laying down. Anyway, when he stood up, I could see that first one was way too high, so I got that second arrow in him. He went in the river, and I had to hurry and get him out. But anyway, perfect shot on the second shot. I knew that shot was a good shot, a broken arrow, but yeah, it was in more straight. That was way too high. But anyway, here is a Wyoming bullwinkle. So it's not the biggest moose in the forest, but it's definitely the biggest one I've seen out of 7 days of hunting. So anyway, he's just kind of a young bull, but that's pretty dang exciting. So got an arrow that was too high and another one that was just right, and I knew he wouldn't go far then, and he didn't. He only went about probably 50 yards after he was hit good. So anyway, there we go. Now it's time for the work, but appreciate you coming along and joining us on another epic adventure.